outside of town. I fell into the water, the current pulled me down. It held me on the bottom, and I could not hear a sound. I was lost in muddy water, and I thought that I would drown. Somewhere up above me, I could see a light. I knew I had to reach it, but it was just too hard to fight. The current flowed around me, and I felt the end was near. And my mind filled up with memories, my heart filled up with fear. I couldn't see before me, it was cloudy, it was cold. And at the bottom of the river is where I met my soul. Then I saw my life before me, and I knew I wanted more. And I understood so many things I didn't understand before. I saw all the people I had loved and all I had done wrong. The places I had left behind and the places I belong. Then I heard a voice inside me, and it sounded like a cry. And I heard it scream so loudly, "This ain't your time to die." So that's when I decided to make it to the light. And I found the strength inside me, and I fought with all my might. I made it to the surface, and I was gasping for my breath. And I cried in realization that I had cheated death. I noticed so much beauty